The best homemade mosquito repellents. One of the worst parts about summer and hot days are mosquitoes. These insects are not only bothersome with their buzzing sound close to your ears, but they also bite you and leave welts. They don't discriminate by age, they bite everyone. Although there are studies that say mosquitoes bite a certain kind of person, some say by blood type, while others say because of sweat, it is best to avoid them from getting in your home. Homemade remedies to repel mosquitoes. Below we will tell you about some of the most effective recipes to keep those annoying mosquitoes away, which can ruin a calm night or a dinner in the garden. The best part is that since they are homemade with natural ingredients, you can use them if you have children or allergies. Clove repellent. They say that this is the most effective repellent for mosquitoes. You will need baby shampoo, 1 liter of water, and 30 cloves. Make an infusion with the cloves and water, stirring it, and pour it in the shampoo until you get a homogeneous mixture. Apply it all over the skin that will be exposed to insects, arms, face, and feet. Eucalyptus repellent. For this recipe, you will need 250 grams of eucalyptus leaves and 1 liter of water. Boil both ingredients for 45 minutes so that the leaves can release all of their essence. When it is still hot, pour it in humid areas in your home and on door and window frames. Mosquitoes will not come in as a result. Chamomile repellent. You will need 250 grams of chamomile flowers and water, however much you need. Wash the chamomile well and rub it on your skin. Repeat every 2 hours. Almond repellent. This is best for babies and children because it is very gentle and effective. Mosquitoes prefer babies and children because they don't know how to defend themselves. The ingredients are 100 milliliters of almond oil, 20 drops of geranium essence, and 20 drops of basil essence. Make a mixture of all three and apply it to the skin. Lavender repellent. You will need 100 milliliters of lavender oil and a moisturizing skin cream. Make a mixture with both and apply it directly. You will feel more fresh and protect yourself from mosquitoes. Citronella repellent. They say that this is one of the elements that repels mosquitoes and other insects the most. You can get the oil as a spray, lotion, or towelette to prevent the insects from bothering you or your family. Eucalyptus repellent, Recipe 2. Eucalyptus essential oil has a very nice aroma and is effective for keeping mosquitoes away. Apply it to your skin and repeat after 6 hours. You can mix it with thyme, pennyroyal, basil, and lemon oil to strengthen its benefits. Oil and alcohol repellent recipe. Chemical products can be harmful for you and your family's health. This is why natural repellents are the best option. It has also been proven that they are the most effective and, above all, economical. In this case, a very good and popular recipe for repelling mosquitoes, flies, fleas, and ticks away consists of between 10 and 25 drops of essential oil, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, citronella, castor oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, olive, sunflower, or corn, or 2 tablespoons of alcohol, 96% vodka. Mix both of the oils of your choosing or the alcohol together. Rub it directly on your skin and clothes. Be careful to not come in contact with your eyes, nose, or mouth. Apply it again every hour if you go swimming or exercise, or if you have sweated from being in contact with the sun. Store the bottle of repellent in a dark and cool place. To make it have more consistency, you can add aloe vera gel oil. Other types of mosquito repellents. Put a few mint leaves on the patio, yard, or inside your home. You can grind them with a few drops of water so that they release more odor. Always have a fresh basil plant. You can grow it in a small pot without any problems, and put it in your bedroom so that mosquitoes don't come in. The insects don't like this aromatic plant, which is why it is also used in gardens as a living fence. Put a little bit of water and some sliced garlic cloves in a bowl. Let them soak for a few hours and then put it in a spray bottle. Spray it all over your house, especially on curtains and corners of doors and windows. The sulfur in garlic repels mosquitoes, flies, ticks, and fleas. Eat a lot of vitamin C a day, especially if you are outside. It is soluble and doesn't accumulate in your body, which will eliminate more sweat, which is hated by mosquitoes. Put a glass with vinegar in it next to the window. The strong smell will make insects not want to go near it, much less come inside. Eat foods rich in vitamin B like lentils, almonds, and mushrooms. Use bunches of sprigs or basil to scare off the mosquitoes. Other interesting oils that are mosquito repellents are castor oil, rosemary, pine, verbena, thyme, clove, geranium, and cedar.